Why a product launch works so well. There are many reasons to do a big bang product launch. The first one, of course, is to let your customers know that there is something up for grabs in the market. You also get to make some waves in the industry and get a little recognition for your brand. Apart from that, prepping for a product launch also gives your organization a little structure to work around. And after the launch, of course, you get valuable information and feedback from the early users of the product. The idea of a product launch is not to nail it 100%. I mean, good if you can, but there will always be last-minute changes that will topple the plan from just a little bit to entirely gone in the dumpster. The idea for you as a leader is to make sure that you get as close to the perfect launch as possible, because this is a test of your organization's ability to execute a plan. Your launch tells you how well you can stick to a plan and the dynamic changes that happen in real time. It tests the flexibility and adaptability of your team. When those run-throughs are successful, you increase your chances of having a successful product launch. Now that increases the chance of having a successful product in the market. It gives you momentum in a way that it resonates with the customers and announces to the industry that you have indeed arrived. It's clear that a product launch is a key event because it gets your attention. You need a press release with all the dates and details of the event. You need to advertise it on your website and social media channels. You need all these channels to come back to the landing page where everyone who is interested in the event, not just the product, can learn about the event and the product. A product launch is also a great place for influencers and first users to try the product out. It's an exclusive and must be pitched as one. It also helps you build trust and creates a discussion in the online community organically. In marketing terms, it's called the word-of-mouth strategy. Putting yourself out there also shows that you are confident of the quality of your product. That's a big boost and makes for a good product launch story for anyone covering the event. It's also important to understand the right timing for the launch. You don't want it clashing with events that are more attractive to your target audience or influencers, unless, of course, you're Apple. A product launch works because it gets your product noticed and creates a buzz about your brand in the industry. Product launches are, without a doubt, a great way to expand your business because you fundamentally put yourself on the map. When you attract the attention of industry titans, you create relationships, which leads to the opportunity for future growth.